In Turkey's rugged mountains and deep forests, a silent army takes flight, not with weapons but with wings. These are Turkey's soldier birds. The partridges fighting on the front lines of ecological warfare. Every year, thousands of partridges are bred at state-run wildlife stations. Their purpose? A natural and powerful role in Turkey's fight against ticks and sun pests, two major threats to public health and agriculture. Before release, each area is carefully selected based on ecological conditions. Hunting is banned for 3 years in these regions to allow the birds to adapt, breed, and build local populations. With over 215,000 partridges released into nature since 2007, Turkey is turning its landscapes into living sanctuaries, where nature protects itself one bird at a time. They feed on insects like ticks and sun pests, especially in their early stages, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. These birds play a key role in biological pest control, say conservation officials. Turkey's soldier birds, fighting for balance, for nature, for us all.